Hello everyone, welcome back to Everyday Kelly. My name is Kelly. So today we're talking everything dresses. I have been looking for a couple of new dresses, more specifically to wear to work, and I have had my eye on quite a few different ones at Suzy Shier. For my American friends, if you don't know what Suzy Shier is, Suzy Shier is a Canadian clothing company. Um, they're kind of similar in quality, I would say, to Old Navy. I don't know what a similar store would be because we don't, up here in Canada, we don't really have a lot of the same women's clothing companies that you have. So if anyone out there knows what would be very similar to Suzy Shier, please put it down in the comments and let me know. But like I said, I kind of think in quality terms, they're very similar to Old Navy quality. So I bought 5 dresses. 3 of them I can wear to work. 2 of them are more for like outside of work, more casual. But all of them I have had my eye on for a few months. I've been waiting for them to go on sale. 3 of them were on clearance, so I can't return them. So I'm really hoping they fit. Even though I know my size more or less in Suzy Shier, sometimes, when you're buying things online, even if you kind of know your size in that brand, everybody has a different body shape, and sometimes the items of clothing may not fit you the way that you expect. So hopefully they do fit. So let's go ahead and try them on. Okay, so this is the first dress, and this one is called the Printed Off the Shoulder Smocked Midi Dress in black. And what initially drew me to this particular print when I was first looking at it is the cute pink and white flowers on it. And the off the shoulder style I really love. And it's done really well because you can lift your arms and it doesn't slip up, so that's really good. The fabric is quite soft and it's nice and flowy, so it's really good for the summer. I am just about 5'1", and it kind of comes mid-calf on me. So that's kind of something to take into consideration. And what's really great about this dress as well is it has pockets. So I really enjoy that feature on it. And I liked this dress so much that I actually bought it in another color as well. And I'm going to show you that one next. So this one and every dress that I'm going to show you today are in a size small. So second dress, exactly the same as the last one, just in a different print. So this one they call camouflage. And so it's this really nice green color with white flowers on it. I was really drawn to the brightness of it. It kind of makes me feel like the type of dress that you would maybe wear when you're like sitting in a field of flowers or something. But yeah, it's a really nice spring and summer type dress. Okay, so this is the third dress, and this one is called the Printed Smock Square Neck Midi Dress. And the color that they call this is mauve, but I would more so just say it's pink. And it's got like a flowery print. So once again, this one is in a size small. And I really like this square neck detail on it. And I really like kind of the way that it kind of fits and it's seamed under the arms here because it just kind of feels like it fits really nicely. I was really drawn to the exaggerated puffy sleeves. I think it gives it a really nice detail. Going down the dress, it's got like a little bit of a ruffle hem. Just before you get to my knee. And once again, it's just that really nice kind of soft, flowy fabric. And I kind of feel like, and it does have pockets, so that's another good feature. And I also feel like you could wear it like this, or you could possibly wear it like a little bit off the shoulder as well. So you kind of get like 2 looks for the price of 1. Okay, so next dress. So this one is called the Printed Smocked Midi Dress with flutter sleeves. They also call this mauve as well, so you can kind of see the difference in color from the previous dress. I would just call this purple. This definitely for me is purple. And I am really loving this dress. So with this one, we are getting more so into Suzy Shier's like kind of late summer, almost fall collection. Because this one I definitely could see myself wearing right through the fall. Even though it's a short sleeve, I definitely would wear this in the fall time. It's got like a nice flowery print on it, and the skirt part has like this nice, it's not a pleated skirt, it almost has that effect of a pleated skirt, but it has like these silky spots of like almost like ribbons going down the skirt part that kind of give it this like nice kind of multi-dimensional look that almost makes the skirt look like it's pleated, but it's not. So once again, it's a midi, a length on me in a size small. I really love this dress. And all of the dresses so far, actually. So I think we're on a roll. And the final dress I really feel like is the pièce de résistance of all of the dresses. So this one is the printed V-neck midi dress with pockets. And when I saw this, I was waiting for it to go on sale because I immediately wanted it. This dress is just like a burst of color everywhere. It's got pink and it's got blue and it's got green. And it's like this really nice, soft, satiny fabric. This is definitely one of those dresses that I can wear from spring to fall because it just kind of has a little bit of weight to it. But it is kind of a cooling, it kind of does have a cooling feel to it because of the satiny feel to it. But yeah, I don't know. Like I said, it's just like an amazing burst of color. And yeah, I just really love this dress. Once again, in a size small. This one does have a zipper up the back, whereas the other ones were just a pull-on style. But yeah, I really love this dress. So that was everything that I bought from Suzy Shier. Let me know in the comments what you thought. Let me know what your favorite dress was. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos that are similar to this, don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you very soon in another video.